Hi babes, welcome back to my channel. Here is a quick soft glam soft cut crease eyeshadow tutorial. So I've done one eye off camera just to make it very quick, and I'm going to apply a concealer on my lid. I like to use apply a concealer that has a matte and a full coverage finishing. Then I'm going to use a powder. I'm applying that powder in the inner corner of my eyes, just at the top side of the brows, the front part of the brows, just to create a depth in that area. Then I'm going into this palette. This palette is from Dabota. It's a Nigerian cosmetics, but guys, it is amazing, like super amazing. So I'm going to be changing my brushes according to the colors I am placing, according to the area of the eyes I am going to be using the brush. So I'm going into a deep brown and also a black eyeshadow, matte eyeshadows, just to add depth in the crease area. Then I already changed my brush just to fit into the crease area, so the color can be a lot more intensified in that area. Then I'm going to be going ahead onto my lid. I applied a primer, and that one is from NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk, just because that primer is a matte and it has a full coverage finishing. So, and also it makes eyeshadow pop really well without smearing. So I like to just use that. Then I just basically use my brush to wing out the primer just to give me a soft cut crease look. Then I went ahead into the same palette. I picked a beigey brown eyeshadow matte texture. I placed that on my lid. Then in the same palette I picked another black eyeshadow, and I used that to create like a soft wing on my lid, nothing serious. Then afterwards I went to the lower part of my eyes, and I just basically replicate what I have on my crease area in the lower bottom of my eyes. Then I use that same primer I use on my lid, on my waterline, and after that, just to make the waterline pop, I use black eyeshadow with this tiny pencil brush, just to make it pop, and also to wing out the soft liner I created on my lid. Then I'll be going back again. I'm using that brown to further intensify the colors I applied on at the lower bottom of my eyes. Then I'll be using a mascara. This mascara is really like, it lengthens the lashes, but if care is not taken, it might just stain everywhere. So when you apply such, you have to like allow the lashes to dry. But other than that, the mascara is really nice, and this is the finished look, guys. Let me know if you're going to be recreating this soft quick eye look, soft cut crease. It looks really beautiful, and it is very fast to achieve regardless of your skill level. So let me know what you guys think about this look, and happy new month, guys. You guys are amazing. May the good Lord bless us, give us peace and rest of mind. Bye, guys.